Right. So guys, welcome back to the live. This is Marjame for those that are new. I trade forex and synthetics. That is from derivative broker. Synthetics is it's it's some I cannot say it's forex, but it's more like forex. Okay, but the pairs are different. As in forex, we trade those of USD, JPY, GBP, JPY, but on derivative now or synthetics, we trade volatility, step and boom and crash. All those are the ones that we trade. Those are the instruments or other pairs that we trade on synthetics. So if you are new, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share on any of my videos. Yeah. So in today's live, we are going to just analyze and take trades. Then tomorrow, God willingly, we shall do a chilling live. But now subscribe. So let me go to the trading view. Let me go to the trading view. So I'm just going to bring the trading view. So which pair should I analyze first for you guys? Which pair should I analyze first for you guys? Let me first check if the market is alright. Any pair that you want me to analyze, let me know. You just drop it. Let me know the pair that you want me to analyze for you. I don't normally trade this pair here, BTC, and there is a reason why I don't trade it. There is a reason I don't trade this pair. That is BTC. So BTC is Bitcoin, but I don't trade this. I don't normally trade it, but I trade sometimes because trading that is with a small account, you are just risking. You are risking, and your account could go in a minute if you don't know how to analyze. So let us check on this other pair, USD JPY. So here we shall just use a small, let me say, a simple strategy. What I mean by a simple strategy is that it's not that complicated as I use different like demand and supply, all that. So this is our pair. What are we seeing here? We are seeing a downtrend, clear downtrend. But this is 15 minutes. So we have to go to the higher time frame, which is 4 hours at least. 4 hours is better in this. Alright, so market is not making any direction in this pair. Let us check on. Guys, let me know the pair that you want me to analyze. Let me know the pair that you want me to analyze for you. Alright, here comes. This is a clear uptrend from the daily time frame. That is what we are seeing. We see an uptrend. Why do I say so? I see series of higher highs and higher lows here. Then break of structures are very many. Now, what do you do if you see such a market? What you just do is to just zoom in order to see the candlesticks, both the wicks and the peaks. So here now it depends on the strategy that you use, but here we shall use just a simple one, of which we are going to use trendline break and retest. Trendline break and retest. So this is how you draw. Just don't cut, don't force the trend line. Yeah, you should not force it. You get this or just clone. Let us clone this. So this was our uptrend, but see what the market is doing here. Yeah. So this was our trend line, but that it broke the trend line, of which you are seeing a retest here. This is the retest that I'm saying. It broke the trend line. As you see, this green here, the green is a bullish candlestick, of which it didn't form here another bullish candlestick, but it remained and the thing closed below. As you see, this bearish candlestick here closed below this trend line, meaning we are going for sales. That is a clear indication that we are going for sales in the market, of which we shall see in the lower time frame. Then after you drawing this trend line, mark out your zones that you see the market can react from. Anywhere you see a touch of the trend line, that is your zone. Anywhere you see a touch, that is your zone. This is what I mean by it. This is a touch and it's making rejections, meaning this is your first zone. Then where is going to be your second zone? This where you see a touch, that is a zone. This is your zone also, of which we are going to wait for the market to react here. A reaction from this will So a reaction from this zone here will tell us either to buy or sell. If it comes and retests, then we shall go for our buys targeting this zone again. That is what we are seeing in the higher time frame. So after you seeing this in the higher time frame, now you have to go. After you seeing this, now you have to go lower. We were in 4 hours time frame, so we just go to 1 hour now. 1 hour and we see the same thing still. Yes, here I told you guys. No, I've removed it. Yeah, I said it broke the trend line and formed below or closed below this trend line of which you are seeing. Now what are we waiting for here? You will just have to be patient in order to target this for the trade to hit this zone. Here you will just wait for it to hit this zone and we buy. But now you cannot enter in this kind of trade. Don't enter in this kind of trade because you can be taken out. Let's say you have entered from here. Where is our short position? So this is going to be our short position. Let's say you enter from there now and you say that your stop loss is going to be here. You say your stop loss is going to be here. There's no guarantee here that you won't be taken out by the market. Of course, this is what the market is going to do with you. If you decide to trade from here, this is what it's going to do. It's going to take you out, meaning your stop loss is going to be hit. Your stop loss hits and then it comes back down, of which this is the one that causes stress among traders or pressure, meaning after you seeing it playing out here, reaching your stop loss, you will just be on pressure now, of which you will close with a big loss. Instead, if you want to avoid this, just wait for the market to hit the zone, of which it's going to be our confirmation if it hits this lower zone. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame and we see. So this is the same thing. Let's say you had sold from here, short, of which this was going to be a clear one. Of course, we know the market is going to reach down, but not now. We know it will go, but not right now. Let's say you had put your stop loss above, then targeting this high. Have you seen how many pips could have been this? Your reward was going to be 8 to 9, of which the stop loss was going to be this. Stop loss is here. Target or the reward here. So guys, if you are watching me, kindly subscribe to my channel as I go live every day. So kindly subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Share with your friends so that they watch also. So what are we going to wait for? You have to just be patient for this market to play out. Then we can buy in case it reaches our zone. If it reaches our zone, let's say like this, then we can buy from here. Targeting this trend line or the zone or the upper zone. So this is meaning you will long after here. This is going to be your long position. This is going to be your long position. Then you just stretch it to the upside. So this is what we shall wait for. This is what we shall wait for to happen here. This was going to be a sniper entry from here, but we found it late. Break and retest, clear break and retest from this candlestick formed below the trend line, meaning it's going to drop massively before we enter for our buys now. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel as I will come live tomorrow again. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share on any of my videos. Yeah.